Yeah, good evening, dear students. Today I am going to explain derivatives, term 2 syllabus for class 11th. All important questions I am going to explain. So one by one I will explain all the problems. So it covers your term 2 syllabus. Now, when I am taking the derivatives, the first problem we want to explain. See that it takes, generally you should remember all the derivatives d by dx of x power n. Formula mainly can write n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n. You can remember this is the formula here. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. And frequently use d by dx of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x also. Same using this only. Minus 1 by x square. Like this, similarly you remember d by dx of ax plus b whole power n. This also we can write n into na into ax plus b whole power n minus 1. The derivative of ax plus b is a. Like you remember, this is frequent using this d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. I am going to use frequently this. D by dx of constant. When you when you are talking about derivative of constant, d by dx of constant, always the derivative will be 0. The derivative of constant will be 0. You can remember this also. Sometimes they may ask derivative, find the derivative of the given function by using first principle. When they are using first principle, you know f dash of x is equal to f dash of limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is called first principle of the derivative. That always remember, this is first principle of the derivative. Always they may say this one. They definitely, sometimes they will ask the question to solve using first principle of the derivative. First principle, this is called first principle of the derivative. F dash of x, this is f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. That means here limit should exist. Limit should exist. That you remember, this limit should exist. This is the concept of using the first principle. That you should remember that. Now, when I am taking another after first principle, just will solve different types of problems. When they are asking first principle, I can use first principle. Otherwise, we apply the formula, we will solve the problems. They will ask like 2 marks questions and 3 marks and 4 marks. In our term 2, they may ask 2 marks and 3 marks and 4 marks questions. So for example, they see this problem here, they will ask this question, you observe this problem, find the derivative of the function, find the derivative of the function, or you can y is equal to 1 plus the given y is equal to, when they are asking this, y is equal to 1 plus x, alright, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, again plus x cube, and so on, plus x power something, and so on, plus x power 50 they are given, x power 50. At x they are asking derivative of this, find y is given, find dy by dx, find dy by dx at x equal to 1. Find dy by dx at x equal to 1 they are asking. When they are asking at x equal to 1, you can see this problem, I can write derivative. So dy by dx, if I take derivative of this, dy by dx equal to derivative of 1, 0, x is 1, x square 2x, and so on, using derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, 50 into x power 50 minus 1, it will be x power 49, right? using the formula derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. They are asking at x equal to 1. When they are asking at x equal to 1, I can write dy by dx at x equal to 1. If we take at x equal to 1, right, when they are asking at x equal to 1, I can substitute the place of x1, 2 into 1, and so on, 50 into 1 power 49. So finally it comes 1 plus 2 plus this will be 1 plus 2 plus, because here x square, x, if we take it x cube, it will come and so on, it will be 50. Consecutive 50 natural numbers. See, we know sigma n. What is sigma n? We know that n into n plus 1 by 2. So sigma 50. So sigma 50 means again 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. This is sigma 50, 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. So 50 into 51 by 2. To simplify this, it comes 25 into 51. So you simplify, 1275 will be your answer. This is one of the problem they may ask. Next one, say that these are all questions. Find the derivative of. Next problem, find the derivative of x cos x. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to x cos x. Find the f of x equal to x cos x. When they are given like this, product of two factors x into cos x, you should remember the product rule or UV rule. You should remember the product rule or UV rule. You should remember. Right here you can see here when they are asking the product rule or UV rule, just figure out how I am doing this. What is the UV rule or product rule? You can see, for example, if they are given d by dx of uv, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. You can do like this, product rule. So I can consider d by dx of x cos x. When I have taken d by dx of x, d by dx of x cos x, when I have taken x into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of x, product rule. Now you write x into so when I written the product rule, I can write x in derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x is 1. You can write this. This will be answer will be minus x sin x minus x sin x plus cos x. So that will be your answer. That's all. Minus x sin x plus cos x. So these are the problems they may ask. So chances are there to ask these problems. Say the next one. Find the derivative of, sometime they may give like this. Find the derivative of x square tan x with, find the derivative of x square tan x with respect to x. Find the derivative of, find the derivative of x square tan x with respect to x. X square tan x with respect to x. When they are asking x square tan x with respect to x means product rule. Again product rule. If we consider the product rule, again you can write d by dx of x square tan x. We can write now x square into d by dx of tan x plus tan x into d by dx of x square. Tan x into d by dx of x square. So this will be x square derivative of tan x secant square x. Remember that secant square x plus tan x into derivative of x square is 2x. If you want, you can take it x common, or you can stop here. Like this you can stop. You can write if x common, x secant x plus 2 tan x will be your answer. Like this you can start, this will be your answer, right? Here I am discussing about the product rule. Just I did the product, this is the product rule I am discussing here. You should remember, you should practice the product rule. Before that you should practice all the list of formulae. That is important. That is important. List of formula is important. Next one, find the derivative of d by dx of, they are asking sometime secant square x. When they are asking secant square x, this ever convenient you can write d by dx of secant x into secant x, you can write like this. They are asked what the derivative of secant square x. You write secant x into secant x. Again use product rule here. So secant x into d by dx of secant x plus again secant x into d by dx of secant x. Same, both are same terms, right? I have written secant x into d by dx of secant x. Same terms are same. Right, again instead of 2 into twice secant x into derivative of secant x tan x. So answer will be 2 secant square x tan x. That will be your answer. 2 secant square x tan x. So this was important problem here. Right. Then think about next problem. You can see here. Right, they are asking here. Find the derivative of sine of x plus a. Find the derivative of sine of x plus a. When they are asking find the derivative of sine of x plus a, find the derivative of sine of x plus a. What is the derivative of sine of x plus a? When they are asking derivative of sine of x plus a, you can observe here, they are asking sine of x plus a derivative, you can write d by dx of sine of x plus a. So here I suggested you here, we know derivative of sine x is d by dx of sine x. We know derivative of sine x is equal to cos x. Just I am reminding, the derivative of sine x is cos x. Derivative of sine x is cos x. You remember this? Derivative of sine x is cos x. Similarly, derivative of sine of x plus k, I can write cos of x plus a into d by dx of x plus a. I told this one, I remember, because when I have taken this one, always remember, when I am writing derivative of this, so derivative of sine of x plus a means I can write cos of x plus a. Since it is not x, find derivative of x plus a. It will come cos of x plus a. Derivative of x plus a, x is 1, constant 0. Your answer is cos of x plus a. Should be careful this when you are doing, should be careful this. Next one. So that way you can simplify, you can do that. Now suppose you want derivative of some cot cube x. Find the derivative of cot cube x. Find the derivative of cot cube x. When they are asking cot cube x, whenever they are asking cot cube x, use very simple we can think. You take d by dx of cot cube x. So cot cube x is nothing but cot x whole cube. So whenever whole cube, remember first step d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. Use this 3 into 3 minus 1 d by dx of. So here I should fill with cot x. In the place of ax we have cot x. Write this now. 3 cot square x. Derivative of cot x here. Derivative of cot x will be derivative of minus cosecant square x. Derivative of cot x will be minus cosecant square x. So your answer will be minus 3 cosecant cot square x cosecant square x. Minus 3 cot square x into cosecant square x. 3 cot square x cosecant square x. So like this we can solve the problems. Sometimes they will have derivative of 1 by, find the derivative of 1 by x. When they are asking find the derivative of 1 by x, find the derivative of 1 by x with respect to x. Always they use that word. In previous problem also cot cube x, when they derivative cot cube x with respect to x only. Here also derivative of 1 by x with respect to x. They ask with respect to x only, they may ask here. When they are asking with respect to x here, now you can see here, when they are asking with respect to x, I can write, you can consider d by dx of 1 by x. We can write derivative d by dx of 1 by x. So this will be d by dx of x power minus 1. Apply the derivative of x power n, minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus x power minus 2. It will be minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. That you can remember that. Next one. Right, you see the next problem now. Find, they're asking here, when they're asking derivative of this one, find the derivative of x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. Find the derivative of x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. When they are given this is x power minus 3. So this problem I can write d by dx of I can write 5 plus 3x by x cube. I get x cube. Sir, why can't you use product rule? Yes, you can use product rule also, or you can use, if we consider like this, I can use quotient rule by x cube. Denominator I have taken. What is quotient rule? You know, d by dx of u by v. You can say u by v or quotient rule. So v square, v into derivative of u minus u to derivative of v. So this is quotient rule. Same thing if I consider here 5 plus 3x by x cube. I can consider v means x cube whole square. X cube whole square. X cube into derivative of d by dx of 5 plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x into d by dx of, I can write derivative of x cube. d by dx of x cube. I can consider this. Now you can see here, when I have taken this, I can write now x cube into, you observe your derivative of 5 is 0, 3x 3 into 1 3 minus 5 plus 3x, derivative of x cube, 3x power 3 minus 1, 3x square, because derivative of x cube, you should follow derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, you follow that, by, you get x power 6. If you want to take it, this is 3x cube, I can take it x square, this also you can simplify this. I can take it from this x square common. If you take x square common, this will be 3x square means only 3x it comes. Here I have taken x square common, minus 15 and minus 9x. Just observe here, this is 3x cube. I have taken x square 3x. I have taken x square common 3 minus 15 and minus 9x by x power 6. If I simplify, this will be, you can understand here, minus 3x minus 6x minus 15 by, it will be x power 4. Answer will be x power 4, it comes right. That way you can simplify the problem. Right, that will be easy way to solve that problem. We can express like that to simplify right. We'll do the next one now. See the next one. Easily you can solve the problem now. This is just quotient rule. Or the people may use product rule also, they can use. That is also correct here. Now I am going to do the another one. You can see this problem. Differentiate root x plus 1 by root x. Differentiate root x plus 1 by root x whole square with respect to x. With respect to x. Differentiate root x plus 1 by root x whole square with respect to x. When they are given this problem, just first what I will do now, I will expand root x plus 1 by root x whole square. Root x plus 1 by root x whole square. A square plus b can a square plus 2ab plus b square. Root x whole square. Correct. Just you expand a square. Root x whole square. Root x whole square. 2ab. 2 root x into 1 by root x. 1 by root x whole square. This is 2ab. Then I can eliminate here this root x. This will become, you can write x plus root x whole square is x. X plus 2 plus 1 by x it comes. They are asking derivative of this now. I can write d by dx of, with respect to x I should differentiate this. D by dx of, I can write now derivative d by dx of. So x plus 2 plus 1 by x. Derivative of x is 1, constant is 0. If you remember derivative of 1 by x, minus 1 by x square. I can write this one minus 1 by x square. If I not remembered, in the previous problem I explained this. Derivative of 1 by x, you can convert it, I will tell you this one. You will get 1 minus 1 by x square. Answer is 1 minus 1 by x square. If you not remembered derivative of 1 by x, you can also write like this. D by dx of x power minus 1. Apply the formula. Derivative of x power n minus 1, you will get here minus x power minus 2 minus 1 by x square. Like this you can find and you can write your answer. Otherwise, if you remember, you can write directly your answer here. Like this you can differentiate this one. We can solve that problem. When they are asking differentiate that. Alright. See the next problem here. Find the derivative of x cos x. This is Kendriya Vidya KVS problem, this one. They asked KVS one time. See, find the derivative of f of x equal to x cos x. Find the derivative of f of x equal to x cos x. F of x is equal to x cos x. Find the derivative of x cos x. They are asking find f dash of x. F dash of x they are asking. Find the derivative of x, find f dash of x. So you can see product rule. F dash of x equal to x into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of x. So I can write x in derivative of cos x. When I have taken derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x is 1. You will get minus x sin x plus cos x. Correct. Minus x sin x plus minus x sin x plus cos x. So product rule. This is one time they asked in KV 2017 they asked this problem. Next one. Right. Another one also I am going to explain now. So this is the problem. Another one now. Find the derivative, you can see here. Next problem. Find the derivative of f of x equal to. Find the derivative of f of x equal to cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x at x equal to 2 pi by 3. At x is equal to 2 pi by 3. Find the derivative of f. They are given. This is given f dash of x at x equal to, you should find f dash of x. Find f dash of x where f of x equal to cos x minus sin x at x equal to 2 pi by 3. You should find f dash of x. F of x is given. So here, this is a simple problem, but you should know the values of this. I can write now. F dash of x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. At 2 pi by 3, substitute f dash of 2 pi by 3. So you can write minus sin 2 pi, minus I can take it common here. Again, if we substitute minus, I can take it common is sin 2 pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3. You find the values of sin 2 pi by 3. How to find sin 120? Sin, this is they're asking sin 2 pi by 3. So remember sin 2 pi by 3 means sin of pi plus pi by 3. So pi plus pi by which coordinate? Third coordinate, right? In third, so no, this is actually now written 2 pi by written 3 pi, this is minus. Be careful here, I should write pi minus pi by 3, 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3, second coordinate. This is house of sin only. Sin will be positive in second coordinate. For 180, no change the function. It will be sin pi by 3. We know sin pi by 3 means sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That you remember. Next, cos 2 pi by 3. Similarly, you find cos 2 pi by 3. Cos of pi minus pi by 3. Cos of pi minus pi by, again second coordinate, cos is negative. It will be minus cos pi by 3. So this will be minus 1 by 2. I can substitute the values now. Sin 2 pi by 3, root 3 by 2. Cos 2 pi by 3, minus 1 by 2. So you will get this one minus of root 3. If you expand this one, 1 minus, you can see here, 1 minus root 3 by 2 you can write. Or you can stop here. I can write 1 minus root 3 by 2. 1 minus root 3 by 2. Because multiply with the negative, we get 1 minus root 3 by 2. This will be our answer, 1 minus root 3 by 2. Right? They're asking to find the derivative of that at 2 pi by 3. Next you can see here another problem now. I will explain, find the derivative of, see this problem, find the derivative of, find the derivative of 1 by ax square plus b. Find the derivative of 1 by ax square plus b with respect to x. With respect to x. 1 by ax square plus b with respect to x. They are asking to find the derivative of this with respect to x. See, when they are asking with respect to x, see, observe in this problem, 1 by ax square plus b, they are asking with respect to x. So this was a simple problem, not that much difficult, but you can do easily, can do this problem, 1 by x square plus b. The people, they may use quotient rule, they may solve. Otherwise, without quotient rule also you can consider, let it be derivative of 1 by x also you can solve this. Two ways you can solve this problem. When they are given this problem, you can use quotient rule. One method is using quotient rule, you can solve this problem. Otherwise, you can solve this problem by using, you can see, what can I do here, you can see this one. With respect to x means I can consider d by dx of 1 by ax square plus b. One method, if you remember derivative of 1 by x, what is the derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square? If you remember, using this concept also we can solve this problem. They are given like this, ax square plus b. I will tell two ways, I will discuss whichever the easy way you can follow that. Let it be 1 by x minus 1 by x square, I can write minus 1 by. So here, let it be in the place of x, we have ax square plus b minus 1 by x square d by dx of. Here x means minus 1 by x square. But in the place of x, I have ax square plus b. Again ax square plus b I can consider. Ax square plus b. We can consider this. Now you can see here, when I have taken this one, This as it is here, this term as it is. Derivative of minus of derivative of ax square plus b, a into x square derivative 2x constant 0 by, you will get ax square plus b whole square. So you will get same thing, minus 2ax by ax square plus b whole square. Suppose if you don't want this method, same problem. You can also do, I am telling this, don't confuse this. If you not remember this, you can also do like this. I can also do like this, d by dx of 1 by ax square plus b, or d by dx of 1 by ax square plus b. They have given, this is the problem, d by dx of ax 1 by ax square plus b, 1 by ax square plus b. They have given this. You can use quotient rule, ax square plus b whole square, quotient rule, ax square plus b into, you know quotient rule, right, v square, v into ax square plus b into derivative of 1 minus 1 into d by dx of ax square plus b. Like this also you can use it. This is quotient rule. If we use quotient rule, here it comes ax square plus b whole square, this is ax square, ax plus b whole square, ax square plus b into derivative of constant 0. This will be, this is 0, this is minus, we have derivative of 2, this one. You can see here, a into 2x plus constant 0. A into 2x plus constant 0. Then if you see, this way also you can solve this. Now you will get here, this will minus 2ax. So which is equal to minus 2ax by ax square plus b whole square. So this is also correct. You can do the previous method or this method also correct. Any one method you can solve this problem. No issue, you can solve that problem. This is also one of the important problem. You can solve that. I am going to explain the next one now. See the next one, they are asking this problem, you can see this one. Differentiate e power sin x plus, differentiate e power sin x plus x power n cos x with respect to x. You can do this problem. Differentiate, say differentiate e power x sin x differentiate e power x sin x plus x power n cos x with respect to x. So this problem with respect to, they are asking with respect to x. Right, in this problem you can see now how to solve this type of problem now. When they are asking this type of problem here, e power sin x plus x power n cos x with respect to dx. That is not x power n cos x. So again, you can see when differentiate, I can write d by dx of, we can d by dx of e power x sin x plus d by dx of, I can write x power n cos x. I can use like this. Because you should do product rule again here. E power x into derivative, I can write d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of e power x. Sin x into d by dx of e power sin x plus sin x into d by dx of e power x plus x power n into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of x power n. If we consider like this, you see now what it comes now. E power x derivative of sin x, it will be cos x. Just go write, this will be cos x. And sin x into derivative of e power x is e power x. X power n derivative of cos x minus sin x here plus cos x into derivative of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. it comes like that, n into x power n minus 1. Correct. E power x into cos x plus sin x. If you want, I can take it common. This is a nx by x. We can take it x power n minus 1 common, or you can leave it also. You can stop here. Still, if you want, you can consider, I can take d power x common. It will be cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x it comes. And here if you want, you can take it x power n common, I can consider, or x power n if I take it common here, x power n. That way also you can do that. Or you can take it x power n minus 1 also common. If you take x power n common, it will be minus sin x, x power n common, it will become n by x into cos x. It comes like this, n by x into cos x. Why? Because you have taken x power n common, this will be x power n by x into cos x. So like this you will get the problem, you get this one. Sometimes this question they may ask for 3 marks. The questions I am explaining 2 or 3 marks questions, both of them together I am explaining here. Chances are there to ask this. Alright. Now after completing 2 or 3 marks, I will explain that 4 marks questions also, like first principle they will ask in that 4 marks questions. See the next one. Find the derivative of y is equal to find the derivative of y is equal to find the derivative of y is equal to x plus sin x by x square minus 1, x plus sin x by x square minus 1, x plus sin x by x square minus 1. They are asking derivative of this. Again, you should use quotient rule here. When they are asking, you should use quotient rule here. Find the quotient rule of this. Just apply quotient rule. Find the y equal to x plus sin x by x square minus 1. When they are asking what is the quotient rule here, I can write dy by dx. When I have taken dy by dx quotient rule, x square minus 1 whole square, v into x square minus 1 into d by dx of x plus sin x. This x plus sin x minus x plus sin x into x plus derivative of x square minus 1 d by dx of x square minus 1. Just remember, quotient rule, u by v square, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v, x plus sin x. This is sin x. Right, now you can see here, quotient rule is very simple way, you can do this. I can write now x square minus 1 whole square. I can write now x square minus 1 into derivative of x is 1, sin x is cos x, minus of x plus sin x into derivative of x square 2x constant 0. I can simplify this. If I am simplifying this, just expand this x square cos x minus 1 minus cos x. If I expand minus 2x square, or you can leave it also like this, minus 2x square, it comes minus 2x sin x by x square minus 1. Otherwise you can stop here, writing this also you can stop here. You want to, because to simplification is not possible, means you can leave it. I can write here x square minus 1 into 1 plus cos x minus 2x into x plus sin x by x square minus 1 whole square. You can stop here. Where further simplification, you are not able to simplify, means you can stop here, right? That's an x plus sin x. You can stop here. That will be the problem, right? See the next one here. Differentiate x power 2 by 3 by using first principle. This is important. Differentiate. They are asking differentiate x power 2 by 3, x power 2 by 3 by using first principle. By using first principle, that is they are asking here. By using first principle. By using first principle. By using first principle, they are asking to solve this. When they are asking to solve by using first principle, just remember that one. If you write the first formula, definitely 1 mark you will get that. Write the first principle formula here. First you write f dash of x is equal to limit, because you consider first, let f of x equal to, you can consider, let f of x power 2 by 3. Let f of x is equal to x power 2, you can consider this. Then f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. You should not use formula here. Remember here. Be careful here. You should not use derivative of x power n formula here. By using first principle means you should use first principle only. Now I can consider limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h I can write. X plus the place of x, write x plus h whole power 2 by 3 minus f of x, x power 2 by 3, x power 2 by 3. Denominator, our convenient, can you write x plus h minus x? I can write denominator, this is x plus h, add x plus h minus x. Add x and subtract x, it is same thing. Now remember the formula, derivative of, you know that, limit, because we have the formula, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, n into x power n minus 1. Remember that formula. Just I will show that formula, you remember here. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is, you know, n into a power n minus 1. Just remember this formula, n into a power n minus 1. Same thing, and I can apply here. H tends to 0. Then h tends to 0, x plus h tends to x. Then if I apply the same formula here, I can write here n value 2 by 3. 2 by 3. In the place of we have x only. I can write 2 by 3. 2 by 3. X power 2 by 3 minus 1, right? I can write x power 2 by 3 minus 1. It will be 2 by 3. X power, it will be minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So you can stop here. That will be your answer, right? You will get that will be your answer here. Or else there you can stop here. Correct? You got the answer, that one. 2 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3. Or else you can write 2 by 3 into x power with the cube root of x. Or you can stop it. That will be enough. X power minus 1, x power minus 1 by 3. That is the required answer. This is 3. That is important one. First principle, they may ask one question definitely. If the 3 marks or 4 marks, definitely they will ask. You are able to solve that problem. That is important problem. Right. Now you can see the next one now. More than 5 marks they may not ask in CBSE here. 2, 3, 4 marks. Gitanjali, I am telling this one, either 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. Take 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. Yeah, derivative of e power x is e power x only. There is no change. Derivative of e power x is e power x. By not changing, Gitanjali, something you are asking, derivative of e power x is right. Again, see here, always remember the derivative of e power x is e power x only. There is no change. Right. If common is required, you can take it, no problem. Fine, then you can see the now. You get 2 by 3 x4 minus 1 by 3. Next problem you can see here. Find the derivative of, find the d by dx of, I can write now d by dx of, d by dx of 2 tan x minus 7 secant x. 7 secant, directly I can write 2 derivative of tan x secant square x, 7 derivative of secant x tan x. If you want, you can take it common here. I can take it common, secant x, I can take it common. So I can take the 2 secant square 7 secant x tan x. Here I can take the common here. If we take secant x common, it will be 2 secant x minus 7 tan x. I can stop with this. Next one. D by dx of 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. D by dx of d by dx of d by dx of 5 cos x or 5 anything 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 8. 6 cos x plus 8. If it is like this, we can also directly 5 derivative of sin x cos x. 6 into cos x means minus sin x constant to 0 we can write. Directly you can write your answers here. This will be 5 cos x plus 6 sin x. That's all. 5 cos x plus 6 sin x, 5 cos x plus 6 sin x. Right. See the next one now. They will ask it again. Differentiate a plus b sin x by. This was one of the important problem. They will ask d by dx of a plus b sin x by a plus b sin x by c plus d cos x. C plus d cos x. Suppose if they ask this problem. Here the possibility is that to ask this one. A plus b sin x by c plus d cos x. See in this problem we can see here c plus d cos x. Again quotient rule, I should use quotient rule. C plus d cos x whole square. Quotient rule. C plus d cos x into d by dx of, correct, derivative of this one. D by dx of a plus b cos x minus, I can write minus, this is a cos x, minus a plus b sin x, c plus d cos x into a plus, this is, be careful here, this is c plus d cos x into a plus b sin x minus a plus b sin x into d by dx of c plus d cos x. Now I can consider here the denominator is same thing, c plus d cos x whole square. Right, c plus d cos x, the derivative of constant 0. B derivative of sin x is cos x minus a plus b sin x into a plus b sin, derivative of constant 0, d into derivative of cos x minus sin x. Be careful here. This is the minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now you can simplify. Just you can simplify this. If I simplify this one, it comes d cos x, bc cos x, it comes Just you apply this one BC cos x, and this will get, you can get this one BD cos square x. BD cos square x. And this one, if you multiply this one here, minus minus positive, I can multiply this AD sin x. You can see this is AD sin x. Again, minus minus plus, you will get this one, I can write BD sin square x. BD sin square x by C plus D cos x whole square. C plus D cos x whole square. Now you can see here, I can take it BD common, BC cos x plus AD sin x, BC cos x plus AD sin x, correct, BC cos x plus AD sin x, and this one, I can take it BD common. If we take BD common, that will be cos square x plus sin square x. So we know that value is 1 by C plus D cos x whole square. Again write now. C plus D cos x whole square. When I have taken this, because cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, then you can write BC cos x plus AD sin x. BC cos x plus AD sin x plus 1. Then I can write plus 1 by C plus D cos x whole square. C plus D cos x whole square. I can stop here. That's all you can remember this. Right. So always remember, when they're asking derivative, again I will tell you this one. D by dx we see here. Some people that are asking out there, I will tell you the derivative of d by dx of, if it is x power n, you know n into x power n minus 1. Suppose d by dx of, if it is d by dx of e power n, the given this will be different again. It will be everything will be considered constant. If it is like this, everything will be 0. But d by dx of e power x, so e power x means answer is e power x only. Derivative of e power x is e power x. This here derivative of constant will be 0. Derivative of e power x is e power x. You should become a member. Suppose sometime they are asking, the derivative of e power x is e power x only. Correct. Suppose they are asking d by dx of, for example, I have written c. D by dx of x power e is given. D by dx of x power e. When they are given d by dx x power e, suppose d by dx of x power e. When they are given like this, I can write this one. E is a number. I can e into x power e minus 1. I can write e into x power e minus 1. Like n is a number here. In the place x power n, in the form of x power n. That's you can see the difference of that. I hope you understood that. Any doubt here, please ask me. I can explain again that one. Now, I am going to explain all the first principle problems now. See here, the next one I can do now using find f dash of x using first principle. Find f dash of x using first principle. They are asking f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. F of x minus 1 by x. They are given this. You should find f dash of f. Find f dash of x. Find f dash of x using first principle. Using first principle. They are asking using first principle, you should find this one. Using first principle, you should solve this. When you are doing using first principle, x derivative of x minus 1 by x. First you write first principle formula. That is important. Write first principle formula. Then we can solve the problem. Right? Everyone write the first principle formula. That is important. Write the first principle formula. Find f dash of x using first principle. So what is the first principle formula? I can write f dash of x. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. Take this formula. Limit h tends to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Follow this formula. And now they are asking first principle, just write that formula. Then, see, limit h to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now I can consider limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? Wherever x, we write x plus h. X plus h minus 1 by x plus h. You can write this. Minus I can write x minus 1 by x. By h we can consider. Just you can write this. That is important. You can write that one. You can write that. Then we can simplify this one, right? First you replace that. You can simplify. Then we can solve this problem. So this is simple only to solve this problem. See what I will do now. This I can rearrange this one. Numerator I can rearrange. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. I can write x plus h. This one minus x. I can write x plus h minus x. Minus I can write 1 by x plus h. This is minus. Minus minus plus 1 by x. I can take it common. Minus 1 by x. By h I can write. This one I can write here. X will get cancelled. This x right will get cancelled. H will get here. H minus. Correct. If I divide this, h is common here. Now you can see here. This one I can write limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. I can write h by h will be 1. Correct. I am splitting this one. H by h is 1 minus. Will get 1 by h into this one. You take LCM. X minus x. X minus x minus h by x plus h into x. It comes like this. You simplify here. Right. When I am simplifying here, you can see here the simple way I can simplify this one. X will get cancelled here. Limit h tends to 0. 1 minus. This is 1 by h into minus h by x plus h into x. Denominator x plus h into x. X plus h. You can see again this is 1 by h, right? H I can eliminate. Now substitute the limit. Limit of constant is constant. Limit of 1 is 1 only. It comes 1 minus. Apply the limit. Minus minus plus 1 by x plus 0 into x. It comes 1 plus 1 by x square. So that is your required answer. They are using first principle to solve this. Don't do directly. When they are using first principle, you should use first principle only. So answer is 1 plus 1 by x square. 1 plus 1 by x square. So this is the important one. They are asking 4 marks they may ask using first principle. 4 marks they may ask. Again I am going to do 3 to 4 problems using first principle. Right. You can see now. The next problem, find the, you can write f of x by using first principle. I will tell f of x equal to sin x. By using first principle, f of x is equal to sin x. Find f dash of x using first principle. Using first principle. F of sin x, find f dash of x using first principle. We know derivative of sin x is cos x, but using first principle you should solve this problem. They are asking using first principle, you should solve the problem, you should find the derivative of this. Correct. Using first principle, how to find the again write the first principle formula you write. Using first principle you can solve this problem. Write the first principle formula. Either sin x or cos x they will ask. The concept is sin x or cos x. Right. See the problem now. When I have taken this one by using first principle, then again f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. You write the formula. This is f of x. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. Write the first principle. Then limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h means replace x with x plus h. Sin of x plus h minus sin x by h. Apply sin c minus sin d formula here. If apply sin c minus sin d, always remember when they are talking sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c, that also remind you that when they are talking sin c minus sin d, for example sin c minus sin d, it will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this is the formula, just remember. This formula you remember. You can use this one. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Apply the same formula. You look into the right side. Apply that formula. Limit h tends to 0. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d. We add this one. X plus h plus x. You will get 2 cos c plus d by 2. So you will get 2 cos 2x plus h by 2 into sin c minus d. X plus h minus x. It will come h by 2. Look at the right side formula. You apply difference of this. X will get cancelled. H by 2 by h. By h. Now I can get product of two limits. I can get this one. Limit h tends to 0. Cos of 2x plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0. I can write limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2. So limit h tends to 0. This is sin h by 2 by this h, this 2 if we take it down, h by 2 it comes. So this value 1. Because we know limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is 1. Apply the limit cos of 2x plus 0 by 2. Replace h with 0. 2x plus 0 by 2. And this one is 1. It will be cos 2x by 2 cos x. We know derivative of sin x is cos x. Sometimes they will ask derivative of cos x by first principle. Derivative of cos x, or they will ask by first principle. So you should be careful doing the problems. Derivatives of cos x or sin x they will ask by using first principle. So the problem is not that much, is simple problems only. When they are asking first principle, you should be careful to solve the problem using first principle. Now you can see this one more problem I am going to explain using first principle only. The problems many they may ask first principle. Okay, another 2-3 problems, it takes another 10 more minutes, 10-15 minutes will complete this. Using, see this problem, you can write this one using first principle. Find the derivative of sin 2x by first principle. Find the derivative of sin 2x by first principle. Derivative of sin 2x by first principle. Find the derivative of sin 2x. They are given f of x equal to sin 2x. Find f dash of x by first principle. By using first principle. They are asking f dash of x using first principle. Using first principle. Remember, using first principle, practice along with me, automatically you can remember this. You write the derivative formula f dash of x, limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. H tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x. We write the first principle formula. Then like similarly, why I am telling immediately, just observe the previous one, you follow the previous one. Wherever x you write 2x. You can write sin of, easy to practice, the sin of, you will get 2x plus h 2 into x plus h, 2h, I can get minus sine 2x by h. Replace x with x plus h, 2 into x plus h. This is 2x plus 2h, right? 2x plus 2h. Apply sin c minus sin d. Just in the previous problem I explained that. Same thing, apply the sin c minus sin d. Limit h tends to 0. If apply sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2. So it will come 2x to x, 4x plus 2h by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. It will be 2h by 2 by h. So here 2 will get cancelled. Now again write the product of two limits. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends this one. I can write 2 cos 4x. This will you can write 4x plus 2h by 2 into limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Sin h by we have h. This is sin h. By we have h. We know this is 1. Now apply the limit here. If you apply the limit, this is equal to apply the limit 2 cos 4x plus 0 by 2. This is 1. This will be 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. So these are all previous KV. They asked these problems. 2 cos 2x. So that is the reason everyone be looking to the first principle problems. That is important. To solving using first principle is most important. Definitely they will ask for 4 marks. That question they may ask for 4 marks by using first principle concept. Chances are there to ask using the first principle concept. Alright. Maximum we covered the models. Next. Because you should be careful with the using first principle. Sometimes they will ask quotient rule. Find the derivative of x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. Also they will ask. That also you try that problem. I'm giving an idea about that. Sometimes they will ask d by dx of x power 5 minus cos x by sin x with respect to x. This one d by dx of x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. You can practice this problem because quotient rule is easy only. So you can practice this problem. Use quotient rule. D by dx of u by v. V square. V into derivative of u minus u to derivative of. Use this, you solve this problem. Just I'm giving an idea about this. Is simple problem only. You can solve this problem using this quotient rule. This sometimes they may ask this type of problems also. Quotient rule for 2 marks or 3 marks they may ask. You can solve that problem. And one more thing here. Using first principle only, 1 or 2 problems if I explain, then it will be completed. Today's topic it will be completed. Right. Differentiate root of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Differentiate that means d by dx of root of 1 minus cos 2x 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x with respect to dx. This is the problem. 1 minus cos 1 plus cos 2x with respect to dx. See, this is the problem here. So when they are given this is the problem, how to solve this problem? 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x is given. You think here how to simplify 1 minus cos 1 plus cos 2, that is important. You simplify this. 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x you can simplify. If we simplify, easy to solve this problem. Just you can simplify that. right? Everyone simplify. You can write here 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x means 2 cos square x. Use that concept, you can simplify. Easy to solve that problem, right? You can use that concept here. You can do that. Right, you can observe here when they are given like this problem, right, simply very simple on this one. D by dx of, I can write root of 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square x by, it will be 2 cos square x. D by dx of, it comes root of, you can see 2 get cancelled, root of tan square x. It will be d by dx of tan x, it comes, right, derivative of tan x. D by dx of tan x, there we'll get d by dx of tan x. Now you think derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x I can consider secant square x. Derivative of tan x will be secant square x. This is a simple method you can solve this problem using first principle. Alright, I think almost I covered the questions using the first principle formula also. Maybe these are the questions they may ask you. Remember product rule, quotient rule, first principle. Mainly the questions they may ask from that concept only. Now, today I will complete with the last problem. I am going to complete with the last problem with this. I will complete the session now. Take the last problem, right. If y is equal to sin x plus cos x, if y is equal to sin x plus cos x, yeah, Ankur, sin square, one minus cos x is always, yes Ankur, I will tell you just 1 minus cos square x, that is sin square x. This is 1 minus, here the difference is, you see here, 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. You see this is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. But I have written here 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos sin, that is true. 1 minus cos 2x. This is not squared. Cos 2x is equal to, this is 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos, remember this. 1 plus, understood here. 1 minus cos square is sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. Ankur, understood this? The difference understood, I think. Yeah, there is a 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Like 1 plus cos 2x means, so the difference you see that. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x means this will be 2 cos square x. This is 1 plus cos 2x, not square. This is 2x. Remember, this is important formula, those two. Alright. See the next problem. The given here, d by dx of sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x at x equal to 0. They are asking find the derivative at x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, you should find this value, x equal to 0. First find quotient rule. Use quotient rule to solve this problem. When you are using quotient rule, d by dx of this, use quotient rule. Sin x minus cos x whole square. Sin x minus cos x. You take this sin x minus cos x whole square. You write sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x into derivative of d by dx of sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x minus sin x plus cos x into quotient rule. Sin x plus cos x into d by dx of sin x minus cos x. Correct. Be careful here. U by v square, v into derivative of u minus u derivative of v. When I have taken this, the denominator is same. Sin x, don't expand denominator, leave it as it is. Sin x minus cos x whole square. I can consider now. Right. Sin x minus cos x into, this is simple only. We will write sin x minus cos x sin x minus cos x into derivative of sin x cos x minus sin x. Remember here, be careful here. Sin x minus of sin x plus cos x into derivative of sin x is cos x. My derivative of cos is minus sin, it will become plus sin x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now you simplify. This you expand here. Sin x into cos x minus sin square x minus cos square x. If you multiply minus cos square x minus cos square x plus cos x sin x, because we have the same thing, cos x, we have minus plus cos x sin x. Right. You expand this one, minus of this expression, sin x cos x plus sin square x. This is plus cos square x plus cos x sin x. By denominator sin x minus cos x whole square. Next we are simplifying. That's a we are simplifying. Nothing is there. We are simplifying. So if I simplify this one, you can see here. Then minus sin x cos x. This one I think I can eliminate sin x cos x, sin x cos x. I can eliminate both here, right? I can write this. I can eliminate that. So you can take minus common here. Minus again sin square x plus cos square x. Minus of inside sin square plus cos square x is 1. This will be 1. I can write minus 1. Correct? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 by sin x minus cos x whole square. Again this is 1. You get minus 1 by sin x minus cos x whole square. So the result will be minus 2 by, final answer, minus 2 by sin x minus cos x whole square. Sin x minus cos x whole square. That's all our answer. Minus 2 by sin x minus cos x whole square. So with this I am going to complete the session now. Even you can also practice 2-3 problems. I will give practice those problems. You can also practice d by dx of 2x cube minus sin x by quotient rule only. 2x cube minus sin x by cot x. You can also practice this problem. You can also practice f of x is equal to I have written f of x is equal to 2x plus 7 by x plus 2. F of x is equal to 2x plus 7 by x plus 2. Find f dash of x using first principle. Using first principle. Using first principle. Using first principle, definitely one question will be there. Find the derivative of tan x or cosecant x using first principle. They may ask one of the problem. So like this, using first principle, you practice different types of problems, that will be enough. You practice these problems also. So with this, I am going to complete the session today. In the next session tomorrow, I will discuss another new topic. I think this will be enough. If you practice, you'll get an idea about this. I hope you do it again, these problems, you will get complete idea about this. Then see you tomorrow in the next class to discuss another topic. I will try to complete maximum of the topics tomorrow. Twice I will take Sunday, maximum tomorrow and Sunday. Any particular chapter you want, please let me know in the chat box. In the entire 7 chapters you have, in that any specific topic if you want, I can take that topic also. Anyone, the people who are attending, please let me know. Any specific, I have given already the given timetable, I given any specific topic do you want, let me know, I can take it, the topic. Out of all the topics, anyone specific topic do you want, share me the chat box, I will take that topic. Because trigonometry, linear inequalities, permutation, combination, conic section, 3D derivatives and probability, conic section. Yeah, Ankur, conic section I will take it. Maybe conic section I can take it the class on Sunday morning. I will plan it. Definitely I will do the conic section. Simple only, conic section will be simple questions. I will do that. Anyone wants any other topic? Tomorrow we'll complete probably like will topic, you'll see that maximum conic also will cover that. Then fine, then see you tomorrow then. Bye bye. The class will be tomorrow. I told you that 4 o'clock. 4 p.m. We can meet 4 o'clock. Fine then. If you like the session, please like it. If you like the session, please like it. Or tell me in the comment box, or please like the session, means you can like it. If you are happy with the session, please like it. Then fine.